Some warm air blowing in this thing. We're going to go get Marcus, take him to work. His work called him and canceled. They're not going to work today. So now we're just going to go to the grocery store, pick up a few things. You guys ready?
Yep.
Alright, seatbelts on?
Yeah.
This stuff is slick.
Slick.
Yes, it is. A lot slicker than it was yesterday. Lights on. All right. It's starting to snow again. Just when I thought it was done snowing and sleeting, and here it comes. See if it's bring the hill yet or not, but we're gonna try it. You guys ready? We got uphill, okay? A little slick. Yeah, there's a good 6-7 inches of this stuff on the road. This guy's in a hurry to go somewhere. Let me get off the road out his way. What he's responding to or what? That utility truck or what? It's DOT. Yeah, these roads are horrible. Hasn't been any snow plows down this thing at all. Nobody's wanting to share the road either. I think that's four-wheel drive. Let me get over as far as I can without getting in the ditch here. ice underneath that snow. I'm going to assume that the grocery store is open. I don't know yet. We'll find out when we get there, won't we, boys? But it's just, this stuff is slick. This Jeep's got lockers in it and everything, and it's just all over the place. It's starting to snow pretty good out here again. Thought it was supposed to be over by now. You can't even tell. They had Main Street plowed good yesterday. Not anymore. Very many people out and about. Looks like we're the only retards going to the store right now. There's a side-by-side that broke down. Looks like he busted a ball joint. Oh yeah, they took that out. Collapsed the picnic awning at the park, the city park. Like I said, we got barns and chicken houses all over the county that have collapsed. The ice and sleet and everything, a lot of weight. There'll be a lot of damage and stuff from this statewide, especially the south part of the state. They've had a major ice storm themselves. We got lucky up here. We've had mainly snow and sleet, but not good. I'm not going to complain. Our power has stayed on the entire time. I'm just going to smile and be happy. Is that right, boys? Canceled school for tomorrow. I don't see these roads getting any better. Tomorrow's supposed to be below 0. I don't see us having school anytime soon. I'd be surprised if we had school before Wednesday or Thursday, to be honest. I'm sure we're going to play it day by day. Trying to put snow in the parking lot here at the store, so maybe that means they're open. Pull on a door and see. Turn this camera off. We're gonna go see if we can get a few things in the snow. Holy cow, is that wind bad? It is getting colder by the minute out there with that wind.
It's cold.
That north wind has kicked up and it is absolutely miserable. All I did was put groceries from the cart in the Jeep and my fingers are numb. Oh, cow. Alright, you boys ready? Got your seatbelts on?
Yep.
Alright. Let the slipping and sliding begin.
Yeah.
We'll make a loop down Main Street. What do you think?
Yeah.
We'll go right up here on the road. In the road.
We're on the right side of the road.
I know, I couldn't see it. Alright, we're in the road now. We're on the plow over the 71 anyway. No, I don't think they have.
You're scaring that guy now. What are you gonna do?
Everybody slipping and sliding. Oh, there we go. Well, these roads, folks, these roads are horrible. I'm telling you. These are probably the worst roads I have driven on in years. This is not like driving on just regular snow. The freezing rain and sleet mixed in with this snow has added a whole nother dimension to it. I cannot even tell where the road is. I think it's here. We're going to call it here. Yeah, that's lined up enough. Yeah, we've got out of Diet Cokes at the house, and that's an emergency in itself. The kids wanted some dill pickles and stuff, so we made an emergency run to the store, risking life and limb. Yeah, there's a good 8 inches to 12 inches of stuff. I don't even know what to call it. It's just snow, ice, sleet. It's horrible. There's my buddies at the, there's some popo, there's my parts store buddies.
Working us like slaves out here, man.
How you doing, guys?
Pretty good, buddy. How are you?
Man, I gotta tell you, this is the worst stuff I've driven on since I've been back up here.
It's so hard packed, huh?
It is, I don't even know what to call it. It's a mix of everything.
You got ice and then snow and then ice on top.
Man, I've never seen anything this slick. And they haven't run any plows over it, man. It's just a nightmare.
We come down 71, even 71 wasn't touched, all the way to Boulder.
This is a mess, man. And this Jeep, man, I got lockers in it and everything. I can barely get around in it.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah.
I told Russell come and got me this morning, Russell Powell.
Yeah.
He's such a good dude. He helped me out so much. Man.
Yeah.
But I told him, I said, next year I will have a four-wheel drive race. Like, I'm not going to be vulnerable like this anymore, man.
Man, I tell you, this is. I bet 250 is a mess.
Yeah. Now he had to come all the way down 250, then all the way to Bowles, and all the way here, and then back down 250.
Wow.
He's a good guy.
Well, guys, I don't see this going anywhere soon. It's getting colder. It's supposed to be, what, 0 tonight? Somewhere around there? Yeah.
They're saying like -3 or something.
Man, it's not going to be fit for man nor beast.
No.
They already canceled school, so I'm stuck with numbskulls back here.
Boy,
yeah. They're going to eat me out of the house and home.
Yeah. Get them to shovel some snow. That'll keep them busy.
Yeah. I don't even know. How are you guys shoveling this stuff?
We're hitting it with a hammer.
That sounds like you guys are just bored now.
Luckily, well, usually we kind of tend to it the whole day. I usually tell them, let's keep 2 parking spots clear. We keep 2 spots clear, that's good, you know?
Yeah.
I come in, you couldn't even see
Now
the
he's
line.
gotten serious. Yeah, he don't want to get serious now.
That's Jeffrey.
Yeah. Well, hey, man, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm calling it, man. I'm going back to the house. What's that?
Donuts are required.
Donuts are required. Well, I'm locked into 4-wheel drive. I don't even know if it'll do it.
We saw one yesterday, 4-wheel drive. He took our snow in.
Guys, y'all be good. They want one, don't they? The sign they put up said donuts required.
It does?
Yeah, they had a sign up at their door said donuts required.
I went to Grandma.
Grandma won't believe you.
I went to Mommy and Marky too.
Mommy might believe it. Grandma won't. Grandma knows how good I am.
Oh, okay. Grandpa, you always get me and Will in trouble when we don't do it. You do. You get us in trouble.
Yeah, you boys are bad influence. Just bad. Oh, this guy's going way too fast up here. I'm gonna try to give him a little room.
Dude, you're going too fast.
Yeah, he is. He's going way too fast. No, because he's gonna crash. He's gonna crash into us.
He went past the house earlier. Yeah, he went fast.
Yeah, this stuff just yanks you. You'd be going a straight line, it just yanks you to one side or the other.
See, it just did it to that car in
Yeah,
front
let
of
me
us.
slow down, let this guy get by us nice and easy. Oh look, it took out the roof on the snow cone place. Oh no, not the snow cone place. Yeah, there's all, took out the picnic awning at the city park and all kinds of stuff. side by sides, Jeeps, isn't it?
And
Oh, this
it's
guy's going,
trucks.
this guy's going too fast too. Looks like.
He just slid. I want to drive Main Street.
Main Street hasn't been plowed at all either.
Can we go, Mom? Can we go to our neighborhood? Well, I think we're gonna have to sit
No, we don't have, he's not going to work. They called and canceled. They're not working today.
Can we go to our neighborhood?
You want to make a circle?
Yeah.
They got snowplows out in Scott County. I don't know where they're at. They ain't in Waldron. Well, these roads are just, like I say, they're the worst I've driven on in years. Don't know what kind of mix we got or what combination it came down in, but it is horrible.
I can see the road.
Pretty, I don't know, your road back here is either wind blown or it's hard packed or something. I don't know. It's not as deep, don't seem. The yards are, but the road is, I know it ain't been plowed. No, it's deep. It's just got a crust on top of it. Yeah, there's only been one vehicle come by your house. For some reason it just don't seem as deep back here on your road.
As bad as
towards the highway, and it's deep. Tractor's going way fast. So I have to slow down and give him some room. Get over in the ditch. Yeah, he's slowing down too. Putting me where they want me. Lick. Another side by side. Stop down here or slow down enough to make a turn. Yeah, there we go. I don't know.
Oh, that's Dakota. That's not Dakota. That's not Dakota.
Who is it? It's not?
No.
Back. Yeah. Deep here in the yard. Excellent. Got that crust on the top of it, and it's hard for the Jeep to push through. do for now. Alright guys, let me turn this camera off. We're home.